Hi everyone, today our topic about probability. Introduction. There are many different types, among them elementary event. An event having only one outcome is called an elementary event. The sum of the probabilities of the elementary events of an experiment is 1. Now what is the elementary event? For example, when you toss a coin, see this coin head and tail. When you toss this coin, you will get on ground floor any one of the face head or tail. This is the tail. What is the probability of tail getting when you tossed a coin? Probability of tail is equal to number of favorable outcomes, 1 outcome, total outcomes, 2 outcomes. Then in the same way, what are the chances to get head? Probability of head also 1 by 2. Like are called elementary events. An event having only one outcome in an experiment is called an elementary event. For example, this probability of head plus probability of tail is equal to 1. If you find the probability of all the events and add them, always we would get the total as 1. Now next, random experiment. As experiment is said to be a random experiment if its outcome cannot be predicated. That is, the outcome of an experiment does not obey any rule. It means that whenever you toss a coin, there is no rule to getting only head, to getting only tail. There is no rule. Like experiment is called a random experiment. For example, tossing a coin is a random experiment. Maybe it's head or tail. In the same way, throwing a die. See, this is a die. This die had 6 faces. Each faces contain one number. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces and contain 6 numbers. When you throw a die, is also a random experiment. Sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of an experiment are called a sample space or probability space. Whenever you toss a coin, you will get head or tail. Only 2 chances are there. This is called a sample space. S is equal to head and tail. When you throw a die, you will get 6 faces, 6 numbers. Any one of among the 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These all are called sample space. N of S is equal to 6. Here N of S is equal to 2. See, if coin is tossed, either head or tail may appear. Hence sample space is head or tail. Number of events 2. Whenever you throw a die, once every face has equal chance to appear. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So sample space is equal to 1 to 6. Number of events is equal to 6. Next, what is mean by event? Any subset E of a sample space is called an event when a coin is tossed getting a head. Okay, next. Equally likely events. 2 or more events are said to be equally likely if each one of them has an equal chance of occurrence. Means whenever you toss a coin, it will be head or tail. How many chances for head? 1 by 2. How many chances for tail? 1 by 2. Both head and tail are same chances. Like are called equal and likely chances. Likely means same as it is. Head also half and tail also half. Equal, half, half. Example, when a coin is tossed, then two possible outcomes, either head or tail. They both are equal and likely. When a die is thrown, the six possible outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the probability of 1 if you throw the die? 1 by 6. What is the probability of 2? 1 by 6. How many 2s are there? From 1 to 6, only 1 2, only 1 3, only 1 4, only 1 5, only 1 6. So, like events are called equally likely events. Next, mutually exclusive events. Two or more events are mutually exclusive if the occurrence of each event prevents the every other event. It's mean that a boy is studying 6th class in one specific school. It's mean that that boy is not belongs to 7th class, not belongs to 8th class, not belongs to 9th class, not belongs to 10th class. 6th class is stopped to remaining classes. Then this event, not events are called mutually exclusive events. Two or more events are mutually exclusive if the occurrence of each event prevents the every other event. Example, when a coin is tossed, getting a head and getting a tail are mutually exclusive. Never you will get head and head. If you get head, when you get head, it's not a tail. When you get a tail, it's not a head. Both these two events are different to each other. For example, what is the even number when you throw a dice? Find the probability. Among these 6 numbers, even numbers are 2, 4, 6. These 3 are even numbers. Like, what is the odd number when you throw when you throw a die, getting the odd number? 1 and 3 and 5. Whenever you get even number, that is not a odd number. If you get odd number, that is not a even number. So like events are called mutually exclusive events. Next, exhaustive events. All the events are exhaustive if their union is the space, if their union is the sample space. Now just before we discussed even numbers and odd numbers. To find the union of even numbers and odd numbers, you will get a total sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like events are called exhaustive events. Understood? Now sure events. See example for exhaustive events. When a die is thrown, the events of getting an odd number, even number are mutually exhaustive. Understood what is mean exhaustive events? For example, here what is the even number when you thrown a die? 2, 4, 6. What is the odd number when you throw the die? 1, 3, 5. The union of odd numbers and even numbers is sample space of total numbers in the die. Like are called exhaustive events. Now next, sure events. The sample space of random experiment is called sure or certain events. Means when a die is thrown, the events of getting a number less than or equal to 6, 1 to 6. So the probability of all event E is a number P of E such that always the event more than 0 and less than 1. This meaning is 0 less than or equal to probability of event less than or equal to 1. The value of any event more than 0 and less than 1 are equal to 1 are equal to 0. Next, impossible event. What is mean by impossible event? Anybody ask you what is the probability to getting 7 if you throw a die? Is it possible if you throw this die you will get any time as a 7? No, it's not possible because in that die only 1 to 6 numbers are contained. So like events are called impossible events. Now next topic about cards. In a pack of cards, there are total 52 cards. What are those 52 cards? Among the 52 cards, there are 4 parts. 13, 13, 13, 13. See, total 52 cards. All these 52 cards divided into 4 parts. 13, 13, 13, 13. Among these 13, one is ace, then number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One jack, one queen. See, I will show you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one jack, one queen, one king. This is ace. Now these 13 cards, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Each set contain like 13 cards. Understood? There is no one among the set of cards. Ace 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, what is the jack? This is jack. Next queen, this is queen. Next king, this is king. All these cards have faces. See, king face, queen face and jack face. In one set of 13 cards, there are 3 face cards. Like how many 13s are there? 4 13s are there. So each set of suit there are 3 face cards. So total how many face cards are there? 3 4s are 12 face cards are there. How many aces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. Okay. Now next. There are 52 cards in a pack of cards. Out of these 26 are in red color. I will show you. These 26 cards are red color and 26 are in black color. These 26 cards are in black color and these 26 cards are in a red color. Out of 26 red cards, 13 are hearts and 13 are diamonds. In these red cards, 13 are hearts. See, this is a hearts, like 13 cards, one suit. 13 are hearts and 13 are diamonds. These are the diamonds. This set 13 diamonds, 13 hearts. Total red, all are red cards. These all red cards contain 26. In the same way, out of 26 black cards, all these are black cards. 13 are spades. See, this symbol is called spades. 13 are clubs. This symbol is called clubs. Okay. Total these cards also 26. Each of 4 varieties. Hearts, diamonds, spades and clubs. This one hearts. This one is hearts. This one is diamond. Next what? Spades. This one is spade. And the last spades and clubs. This one is club. See, heart, diamond, spades, clubs. Total 4 different types of cards. Among them 2 are red color, 2 are black color. Has an ace. A pack of 52 cards has 4 aces. What are the aces? One ace, another ace, another ace. See, this one ace, ace, one more, this one ace. These are 4 aces. Got it? Ace, 2 red aces, 2 black aces. Next, similarly 3 are 4 kings, 4 queens and 4 jacks. Before I showed you kings, queens, jacks. Like each suit contain 1. There are total 4 suits. Now, what is the probability to getting a king in the pack of cards? How many kings are there? Favorable chances 4. Total cards 52. 4 by 52. 4 1 is 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 3s are 12. 1 by 13. The suit of cards 13. Among them, 1 is king. In the same way, 1 is queen, 1 is jack, 1 is ace. Any number from 2 to 10, 1 number probability. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel and share to your friends and family members. Thank you so much.